Good afternoon, students. Now in this lecture we are discussing about NEET biology crash course, and as you are aware of that, the date is May 7th. 28 days are left. Now here in the first lecture we will talk about what are the topics present in grade 11 and 12th biology. So let us divide that into units first, and then that units will be divided into chapters. In 11th you are having 5 units: diversity in living world, structural organization in plants, animals, next cytology, plant physiology, then human physiology. Under that 5 plus 7, this is very important. Fine. Now if you subdivide that, totally you got around 21 chapters in 11. And if you take grade 12, how many units are there? 5 units: reproduction, genetics and evolution, biology and human welfare, biotechnology and its applications, ecology and environment, general topic. So 5 units. Under that, subdivided into different chapters. Totally 16 chapters in 12th. Most of you will be definitely thorough with the 12th. So again, we are going to start our crash course of biology with grade 11. Now, 11th 21 chapters, 12th 16. Totally you have 37 chapters and you need to cover it in 28 days. It's easy. Simultaneously, you have to write a daily test in whatever you complete here. And finally, before 28, you have to definitely write 3 full portion NEET test, that is physics, chemistry as well as biology, for 720 marks. Hope you have understood the strategy. So earlier I have explained about the chemistry. Now this is the strategy for biology. Hope you have understood this, and we will definitely follow this. I hope you will succeed in the NEET. Thank you so much.